So I'm doing a little review here on the Basalite PisaEdge retaining wall / garden wall blocks. I think I like them. Aside from the stains right now, I don't know if I like that. We just got some rain. They're just now getting exposed to the sun and all the weather. I think that most of it washes off because the stains, like most of them have like white stains on them, which most of them washed off, like this one's. But we'll see how they turn out with time. Overall, the installation is pretty nice, I think. As you can see, I'm doing a straight up wall, garden wall. I'm not really retaining much. So the highest you could do with that is 2 feet, which basically your wall goes straight up. The notches go, the bottom row goes this way, the top one goes this way, and you keep alternating, and it keeps them flat. If you want a true retaining wall that's actually safe, and then you could go up much higher, you keep the notches on the same spot, and what it does, it kicks back every row like an 1/8 to 3/16. So it's not really much, but it helps it retain much more dirt or soil. I like how their blocks are labeled. If you want to do pillars, corners, they're all labeled differently, and the notches are different. I actually have a pallet here. I'm doing 2 pillars in front of the house. So basically the ends of them come close rather than having notches on both sides. And then they're labeled as V2, R2, V1, R1. So I have a whole extra pallet that I ordered by accident. So now I'm gonna do 2 small pillars in front of the house with a plant on each side. But I think overall the installation was pretty self-explanatory. There's instructions on them. Of course, the foundation is key on every retaining wall, garden wall. In my case, I went 9 inches deep, 4 inches of 3/4 crushed rock, and then 2 to 3 of finer base rock, so I could level it better. And then I backfilled it with rock and more base rock, and then of course on top of that will be dirt. But yeah, I think I like it. Aside from the phase of them right now, I mean, I'm still in the construction phase. I'm sure as I'm all done here with this whole project, I'm gonna clean them up, of course. I'll spray them and scrub them, see how they turn out. And then the caps, they got different color caps, charcoal and light, I think shaded gray. There's a bunch of different colors on them. But yeah, if you're looking into the Basalite PisaEdge retaining walls, I say they're pretty good. I mean, better quality than the local stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, and all that. And then they don't come as beat up. It's, you go to stores and they only have, you need 200 and they only got 150 good ones. You know what I mean? So you get what you pay for. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm working on installing some lights, putting the cabs on, and if you're interested in this project and a little of what we got going on, make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out things like this. I also built this myself, so please support. Peace out, guys.